fucking good, wasn't it? He was a lot bigger than him, wasn't he? Bigger. Like this one. Look at this guy. This guy is massive compared to
but he keeps on forgetting when he looked down. The whole crowd was so loud. He opens his mouth, but the words won't come out.
yeah, but he's massive. They're both flat, but he's just bigger. Got no head charge. Here you go, man. Here you go, man.
Right, ladies and this is our third contest on the programme. It is a heavyweight contest of three rounds. Which is one of the first boxing out of the blue corner from Dublin via Battersea, making his debut this evening and sponsored by EA Shaw. Please welcome Ben the Bucket. Also making his debut this evening, sponsored by FT Advertising. Please welcome Freddie, the Fridge, Pritchard-Smith. 3-2 rounds of heavyweight boxing referees from Gary Bedford, and of course your timekeepers are Baz and Alex. Thank you, boys.
White vest, I reckon. Yeah, I've never seen him do that sort of stuff in a ring before.
Every other woman in the room feeling anything. Round one.
Yeah, like, oh, big boy. Best punch I've standing 8 count. Best punch I've what a rip. Standing 8 count for that, definitely. Which one's the fridge? Right, sir. He's actually a fridge. Hamilton used to play rugby with him at uni. Really? Yeah. Oh, what? Oh. Yeah, that was left hook.
One more and then he's over.
That was a left hook. I don't think. Silly. Silly's pulled it so far, isn't it? Yes. Of course you can. No. Paid for free. Oh no, I'm only paying for these then. What round is it? Okay. I'm
going to marry that one.
Do you like boxing? I'm just hoping this video doesn't go out. Even the left hook. He gets his feet. He gets his feet medalled up. Well, he's actually a better boxer, the guy on the white. Goes to be punches and puts his front foot forward. Yeah, he's not there. Oh, he's getting back in there. Tied now though, the one in the red.
10 seconds. That Stephanie, our ring guard girl, is also a very good pole vaulter.
Oh!
Honestly.
No shit. No way. What a shot. Where did Stephanie work?
I said pole vaulter, not pole dancer.
Where does Stephanie? Only polies in there. I'll take the two. That's correct. See, speak with me. There's number 4. Tilly's got them over there. Tilly's got them all. Tilly, she wants paying for the other 4 beers, that girl. She wants paying for the other 4 beers. He's a good boxer for his size, isn't he?
No, he's a fat fuck. He's a boxer. The other guy's worse.
He hit him with 2, they got him wobbling, didn't he?
10 seconds.
He's flying there. Woo!
Yeah, they did really, really well. Let's have a look at Deacon and Freddie Pritchard-Smith. Well done, boys.
Who's next, isn't he?
Right, ladies and gentlemen, once again, let me just remind you, both these guys boxing for the very first time in public. And if you've never tried it, get in here and have a pop, because it really is a very, very tough thing to do. Right, thank you. Right, let's go to the end of 3 half-full rounds of boxing, where you have a unanimous decision. Your winner, Freddie Pritchard-Smith. Right, ladies and gentlemen, it's now